everybody! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do the graduation makeup look tutorial. But before that, I just want to congratulate all the graduates of batch 2018. Congratulations guys! You deserve the slow clap with standing ovation. Ganon! So give yourself a round of applause guys. Congratulations! I know you've gone all through. I've been there. Sobrang hirap. Hindi talaga biro ang pagpupuyat, ang paggawa ng thesis, pagre-review every night before you go to school the next day, yung unexpected exam and quiz. I know that feeling. It's very tough. It's really hard. You know, dumating ako sa ganyang punto, talagang naiiyak ako sa hirap. Nakaka-drain ng utak. Kaya naman, congratulations! And all the parents also, congratulations po. Hindi biro ang pagpapaaral and magtaguyod para lang makatapos talaga yung mga anak mo. So, congratulations. I'm so impressed and proud of you guys. So, yeah. With along this makeup tutorial, chikahan tayo para mabilis. So, without any further delay, let's begin. Okay guys, so you will start by using this Daily Facial Moisturizer by Equate Beauty. This has UVA, UVB protection with SPF 15 sunscreen, PABA free, and then fragrance free. Ano pa ba? Lightweight and non-greasy. So, I've been using this for 5 months and so far I like it, and yeah, it's really good to my skin. Okay, so for our foundation, I'm gonna use this Max Factor XFinity All Day Flawless 3-in-1 with SPF 20 and with a shade of Sand 60. This is very light only, so I advise you to wear light foundation, light moisturizer. That's real talk guys. You will be waiting for like 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes it will takes like 5 hours or buong hapon, diba? And you will just wait for your name to call, diba? And to get your diploma, pa-picture, then after that, tapos na, right? Yun lang naman na inaantay natin talaga eh. So, I graduated back 2008. So, it's 10 years ago. 2008 ako gumraduate in Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City branch as Bachelor Science of Nursing. This is gonna be puti ng mukha ko. Medyo nangitim ako. Nag-dark yung skin ko. Kung mapapansin nyo kasi mainit ngayon dito sa sa Florida. Okay, so let's move to the concealer guys. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle. So maganda yung long last, yung talagang aabot ng 1 linggo yung makeup niya. Walang liguan. Lalim ng mata natin. Kung saan yung part na nilagyan nyo ng concealer. Diyan, and then here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Etude House Pencil Eyebrow Liner. As always guys, alam nyo yan. Brown. Number 3. Yung tipong Eyebrow Pencil Loyal Award Etude House goes to mga ganyan. Hesper! Ganyan. Okay, so I did already my other side of my eyebrow. So let's move to the eyeshadow, guys. We're just gonna use the light in earth color. Kasi since this is a graduation, light lang talaga. Huwag nyo na ipilit. Light lang, okay? Lightest to darkest. This is a single shade. Mag-invest kayo guys ng makeup. Siyempre, gagamit nyo yun sa pag-a-apply nyo. Hindi yun sa pag-start nyo mag-work. Color brown. Start ka lang sa edge, tapos pa-circular lang yung pag-brush. This is a ball and chain. Okay. But this one, this is a charmer shade. Okay, so I'm gonna use the flat brush for that. Pang-highlight lang natin. Alright, so we're finished to the eyeshadow, and now let's move on to the eyeliner. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna use this to my waterline. Okay, so I already did both sides to my eyeliner, and then binrush ko lang siya para maganda yung pagka-blend. I did already a contour to my face. I'm using this RK by Kiss 3D Contour palette. So I use this shade. Oh my god, this shade color. Bourjois lipstick in the shade Velvet 70. So for your lipstick guys, any light color will do. It's better. You can also use the dark, but I suggest to use more light since graduation nga siya. And I suggest na if magli-lipstick kayo, better to use na lang yung matte kesa yung lip gloss. Most of you, for sure, nakalugay lang. Kasi syempre magsusot kayo ng toga. So, hindi maiwasan minsan yung hair mo talagang hahampas sa mukha mo. And ayaw natin mangyari yung lipstick mo na glossy, eh, 'di ba? Masira nang dahil lang sa buhok mo. Kaya better to use na lang yung matte. For those who want to use false eyelashes, it's fine. As long as hindi siya heavy. Nakaka-add siya ng length and volume. I'm gonna use this Benifit Mascara Bad Gal. There is two types of this, the dewy and then the matte. So for you guys, if you want to stay matte yung face nyo, hindi kayo mag-oily for the rest of the graduation. Pang long last din to. Nakakatulong din siya na mag long last yung makeup nyo until the end of the graduation. Okay, so nakapag-change na ako ng dress. May dress, may outfit. So now I'm wearing this floral dress with knee level. Simple dress na, alam mo yon, na madadala nyo hanggang matapos yung graduation. Yun naman na importante. And, syempre, yung comfortable kayo suotin, di ba? And then, for the shoes, any shoes na magmamatch dun sa color ng dress nyo, okay yun. Shoes, sandals, ganyan, yung mga... Huwag na kayo magsuot ng super taas na heels, kasi may hirapan kayo maglakad, dahil aakyat pa kayo ng stage, di ba? And, nilugay ko lang yung hair ko. Ayan. For the hair, guys, don't overdo your hair, like, you know, yung updo hair. Kasi, syempre, magsusot kayo ng toga. Always consider that, kasi, syempre, mahirap eh. Kapag naglagay ka ng toga sa ulo mo, tatamaan yung hair, diba, yung hair mo. So, better to, for me, it's better if nakalugay ka lang. Okay, so yun lang naman yung masasuggest ko. I hope marami kayong natutunan for me for today. So, what else? Just don't forget to pray na i-guide kayo ni God. Don't forget to put God in your center. Always be grateful and thankful for what you have. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat nakakarating sa kung saan meron ka ngayon, 'di ba? And one more thing, guys, don't forget to thank all those people behind your success, right? Lahat ng sumuporta sa'yo habang nag-aaral ka, especially your family, your parents, guardians na talaga naman naghirap, nagtaguyod, and gumapang para lang makapagtapos ka, right? Hindi mo mararating yan without any help from them, right? So, alright, so I appreciate if you like and share this video, and I hope you like it, guys. Sana marami kayong natutunan for today's makeup tutorial. And please subscribe if you haven't, so you'll be the first one to get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, thank you so much. I love you. See you on my next video. Bye!